Welcome to the Marineff boat mooring manufacture video. My name is Jess Bone and I'm a research assistant for the Marineff project. This video is going to give you a more detailed look at the boat mooring manufacture process by project lead partner ESITC. The boat mooring is comprised of three parts. Part 1 is manufactured using heavy concrete to provide a stable mooring base, and parts 2 and 3 are made with concrete with 20% crushed oyster shell content. To ensure integrity within the first part of the Marineff boat mooring when lifting, a steel rebar frame is incorporated within the heavy concrete as it's poured into the formworks. Here are the formworks for the second and third part of the Marineff boat mooring, made from concrete with 20% crushed oyster shell aggregate. A hopper is used to pour the concrete into the formworks. Here are parts 2 and 3 following demoulding. All parts were demoulded 24 hours after casting and they were stored at ambient conditions for 3 months before their assembly and deployment. Thanks for watching. There are more videos in the boat mooring series which are listed on screen. Be sure to also visit our social media and the Marineff project website for more resources.